This is Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. Let's take a look here as the S&P 500 and pretty much US markets and most markets globally have been trading well over the last couple of years. Most stocks have been stable to bullish over this time period, reflecting the general market outlook. But there are some stocks out there that have not been responding to the general market bull run. So what generally happens is stocks that have not been reflecting the bullish nature of the market tend to be more often than not the next leadership if the market goes into a major drop. They could easily break recent lows and be the new leadership on the way down. That's the risk. So in theory, if you own such stocks that are close to their lows, let's call it close to their 52-week lows while the market is trading at all-time highs, then the best scenario would be for the market to be stable to bullish, to allow these stocks to stage their own turnaround. In other words, it would need a bullish market to a stable market to stop the recent slide and to generate some movement to the upside as they try and play catch up to the general market. Otherwise, generally speaking, if the market rolls over, be on the lookout that this could be the new leadership on the way down. And if that's the case, expect substantially huge losses in the coming months if the market has made its highs for now. Also, keep in mind right now we are playing the market from the ultimate Muathe breakout perspective. And here we have the exact opposite look, which is a probability that this could move to fresh multi-year lows on the RSI. We can see that the MACDs are already trading at fresh lows. So the risk here is already there on the chart, that the MACDs are already giving us a bearish look. RSI could easily break down, giving us the look for the ultimate Muathe Sell Signal. In other words, be careful out there if you own stocks that have not been responding to the general market bullish nature, because if the S&P 500 rolls over, a lot of the stocks that were not performing are going to be the new leadership on the way down, or at least generally that's how it plays out. Eric Muathe at Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. ESC.